Hello everyone, good morning. It's me Jordan here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make a blog about Boudha. Let's go.
Namaste, Tasdile. Welcome to Boudha.
I would like to show you all some videos I have taken of Boudha. And the Boudha was built a long time ago. It has very beautiful history, and the Boudha is known for its structure, the way it's built. People came here for many things, like many of them come here for Kora. In Tibetan, it's called Kora. They go round and round and round, and some come here for the butter lamps, and many people come here to feed the pigeons as well. At the end of the day, me and my friend went to have some aloo and roti, and which were delicious.